নিতাই চাঁদের করুণা হইবে বিশ্ববাসনা নরোত্তম দাস ঠাকুর সব লাগে নিতাইয়ের করুণা হবে ব্রজের আধা কৃষ্ণ। If you can get mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, then you will be able to get Radha Krishna. Otherwise, you cannot get. So Nityananda Prabhu and Srimad Mahaprabhu. Srimad Mahaprabhu is giving this plea to your love of Krishna. So chanting His holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Chapati Jivapai, Srimad Mahaprabhu, Niraparada, the chanting will be helpless. Here they will get Krishna prema. And will get Krishna. Krishna becomes bound up with that prema, that pure love. Unless you develop this love, you cannot get Krishna. You cannot get Krishna. That is the goal of our life, human love, to get Krishna. So develop such Krishna prema, which is known as Chitta Purusartha, Karma Purusartha, Supreme Purusartha, Mahaprabhu. He is Krishna himself, but he came as a devotee of Krishna, assuming the Mura Bhakta, especially Mura Radharani, he came and gave Krishna Prema, distributed Krishna Prema, one and all, indiscriminately. So merciful, wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully munificent. Nityananda Prabhu is more merciful than Mahaprabhu, more magnanimous, more munificent. That is what I say. Without that mercy of Nityananda, nobody can get such Krishna prema. Understand? This part you should understand. Nitai করুণা হবে ব্রজের রাধা কৃষ্ণ। কেন নিতাই বিনে ভাই রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাইতে না। Without the mercy of Nityananda, nobody can get Radha Krishna. Nobody can get such Krishna, develop such Krishna prema.